Hello children, welcome back maths class. Today topic is comparison of fraction. What is the meaning comparison of fraction? So the fraction is one less than or greater than or equal. So we have to discuss now. In the first case, having same denominator. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. I will take 1/7 and 3/7. This is the fraction, children. So now in these two fraction, so 1/7 and 3/7. So in these two we have to compare which is greater and which is smaller. Here both the denominator is same. So now we have to concentrate the numerator places. So in both the denominator is same, that is 7 and 7. So here in the numerator place there is 1 and 3. So 1 is less than 3. Okay, so symbolically we write 1/7 is less than 3/7. Understood children? 1/7 is less than 3/7 or smaller than 3/7. I will take the second example, that is 5/8 and 3/8. So I will take the second example, that is 5/8 and 3/8. Here also both the denominator is same, so we are concentrate the numerator places, that is 5 and 3. Here 5 is greater than 3. Is it clear children? 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. So we have to write the symbol like this. 5/8 is greater than 3/8. ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. Understood that? In these two examples we conclude that smaller the numerator is smaller the value of fraction. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್. So greater the numerator, greater is the value of fractional number. Okay, you understood children? So in the second case, having same numerator, having same numerators. So already we learned about same denominator. Now we are going to see the same numerators. So I will take the first example. Example 1, 3/5 and 3/8. So the fraction is 3/5 and 3/8. So in this numerator place is same. So numerator ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So now we are concentrate the denominator places. Here 5 and 8. So which fraction is greater than? So here 3/5 is greater than 3/8. Is greater than 3/8. So how can we tell 3/5 is greater than 3/8? So in this, greater the denominator, smaller the value of the fractional number. Is it clear children? Greater the denominator, smaller the value of the fractional number. So ಯಾವ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯಾವ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 5 is smaller than 8. 5 is smaller than 8. So smaller the denominator, greater the value. So small ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In case the numerator is same. Understood, children? So I will take the second example. So 2 by 4 and 2 by 6. Here also both the numerator is same, that is 2 by 4, 2 by 6. Both the numerator place is same. So in this we have to concentrate the denominator places. So 4 and 6. Here 2 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. Already I told the fraction having lesser denominator is greater. Understood, children? Having fraction having lesser denominator, lesser, that means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. Understood? 2 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. I will go to the third example. 4 by 8 and 4 by 9. So in this 2, here also both the numerator is same, that is 4 by 8 and 4 by 9. Both the numerator is same. So here also 8 and 9. Here also denominator which is less having a greater value. ಯಾವುದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in these 8 is less than 9. So the symbol we have to write like this. Understood, children? So 4 by 8 is greater than 4 by 9.
Let us exercise 5.2. First main, fill in the gaps using greater than and smaller than signs. First question, 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. Here both the numerator is same. So we are comparing to the denominator. Lesser the value of denominator is greater. So we use the symbol greater than. The second one, 9 by 15 and 9 by 11. So in this both the numerator is same. So comparing to the 15 and 11, 11 is less than 15. So the symbol we can write like this. So on the third one, 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here also numerator is same. So lesser the value is great. Fourth one, 5 by 12, 7 by 12. Here denominator is same. So in case the denominator same, the numerator which is the less is lesser and which is the great one is the greater than. So here 7 by 12 is greater than 5 by 12. And the fifth one, 6 by 17, 3 by 17. Here also the denominator is same. In the 6 is greater than 3. So the symbol is this. And sixth one, 5 by 19, 11 by 19. Here also denominator is same. Comparing to the 5, 11 is great. So we can write the greater than symbol. So seventh one, 12 by 21, 12 by 15. Here numerator is same. So comparing to the 21, 15 is less. So smaller the denominator, greater the value of fractional number. And eighth one, 11 by 17, 11 by 15. Here also numerator is same. So lesser the value is greater the fractional. And the next ninth one, 6 by 11, 6 by 15. Here also numerator is same. 11 and 15. 11 is small than the 15. So is the great. And 14 by 23, 5 by 23. Here denominator is same. So 5 and 14. Here 14 is greater than 5. So the symbol we have to write here. So 11th one, 17 by 20, 12 by 20. Here denominator is same. So comparing to 17 and 12, 17 is greater. And the last one, 11 by 15, 8 by 15. Here also denominator is same. Comparing to the 11 and 8, 11 is greater than 8.
Children, let us see the next topic, equivalent fractions. Look at the picture, children. Here, the shaded part of all the figures are equal in size. We can notice that in each figure, half of the figure is shaded. So the fraction we can write as 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, etc. These type of fractions are called as equivalent fractions. That means fractions which indicates the same value are said to be equivalent fractions. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ. ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ಣ ವಸ್ತುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಅರ್ಧ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2. The same circle divide as a 2 by 4. In the 2 by 4 also 2 by 4 is half of the whole. So the 2 part is shaded. So and the next, and the same circle we can divide as a 8 part. In the 8 part, 4 part also is equal to half. That is, so half in the whole figure, half is shaded. So in each figure, half of the figure is shaded. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅರ್ಧ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ, ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. Here, all the figures are equal in size, but it divides different number of parts. In a first picture, the shaded part of the figure is 1/3, and the second picture also same in size, but the shaded fraction is 2/6, and the third also same in size, and the shaded fraction is 3/9. And the fourth figure also shaded 4 by 12. So comparing to all the 4 figure, shaded as 1/3 of whole figure. So the fraction 1/3 is equal to 2/6 is equal to 3/9 is equal to 4/12. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಮೂರನೇ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಸಮಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಿವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So now I am going to tell how can we find the equivalent fractions for given number. So equivalent fractions ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That is, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number other than 0. So numerator ಮತ್ತೆ denominator ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 3. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ by the number 3 only and the next 4 only, like that. So we can see the example. First one, 2/4. So first number 2. 2 into 2 by 4 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4.
4 2s are 8.
And the next number 2 into 3 by 4 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. And the next number 4. 2 into 4 by 4 into 4. That is 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 4, 16. And the next number 5. 2 into 5 by 4 into 5. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 5, 20. So the numbers 2 by 4th is equal to
4 by 8.
is equal to 6 by 12 is equal to 8 by 16 is equal to 10 by 20. These are the equivalent fractions for the number 2/4. We can see the second example. 3/7. Here also we have to multiply the number 2 for both numerator and denominator. 3 into 2 by 7 into 2. That is 6 by 14. And the next number 3. 3 into 3 by 7 into 3. That is 9 by 21. And the next number 4. 3 into 4 by 7 into 4. That is 12 by 28. And the next number 5. 3 into 5 by 7 into 5. That is 15 by 35.
These are the equivalent fraction for 3 by 7.